Dear students, let's see assertion region type question. What is क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट? मैंने क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का जो तरीका है दैट्स ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन लास्ट वीडियोस. आई विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द वीडियो. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एज assertion, the light from the object is instant on the spherical mirror from left to right. It is right, beta. Actually, the sign convention saying to us that object will always put at the left side of the mirror. So rays always coming from left to right on the mirror. It is right now. Actually, region is provided such type thing something. That object is always kept on the left side on the spherical mirror. When object kept on the left side, then always rays coming from left to right on the mirror. So it is right. Assertion is also right, and the correct explanation in the R provided. Okay. So for this first question, the option number 1 will be correct. Okay, that A and R is correct, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. Now see the second question. What is that? Second question, as assertion, magnification produced by a mirror is less than 1. Actually, it is right now. Magnification is I upon O that is provided is 1. So that's mean to say actually less than 1. Less than 1. Okay, that mean to say image is smaller than the object. It is right now. The image is smaller than the object. So assertion and reason both are true, and that is the correct explanation of the A. So for the second question, the correct answer is also first, that A and R both true, and R is the correct explanation. Okay, now see the question number third, that is saying in assertion magnification produced by a mirror is more than 1. That means to say this is such type of sign. Okay, more than 1. So that is the I is greater than the object. That means to say image is greater than in size in comparison to object. The image of the objects, the image is of same size of the objects. Wrong. In the greater than magnification 1, image is not same size as the object. So A is true and R is false. So okay, A is true and R is false. See, A is true and R is false. So this is correct option for third question. Now see the fourth question. The nature of image is virtual and erect. Question number fourth. Actually, I am seeing that fourth question is given wrong. What is the nature of image is virtual and erect? Fourth question. The nature of image is virtual and erect. Yes. Reason given, the sign magnification of positive. Correct. Magnification is equal to I upon O. When image is erect and virtual, so in the upward side image form, so we'll take positive sign, also will take positive sign. So magnification is also with positive sign. So it is correct. A and R both, and R is correct explanation. So for the question number 4, the option number A is correct. And the question number 5, assertion provided is it is not necessary to put the sign of unknown variable using मैग्निफिकेशन फार्मूला. व्हाट इज इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी. बिल्कुल नेसेसरी नहीं. करेक्ट कह रहा है कि जब भी आप मैग्निफिकेशन के फार्मूले को यूज करें, मैग्निफिकेशन के फार्मूले को, इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू विल यूज द साइन फॉर अननोन वैल्यूज आल्सो. आपको अननोन वैल्यूज के लिए साइन को नहीं पुट करना है. जब आप कैलकुलेशन करेंगे तो साइन अपने आप ऑलरेडी आ जाएगा आंसर के फॉर्म में. ओके, सो इट इज नाउ करेक्ट फर्स्ट assertion, and R the sign automatically come during calculation. Yes, that's I told you that sign already we come. Okay, actually already used in the formula and will become after calculation in the question. Okay, so did not use the unknown values with sign. Okay, so A and R both true, and correct explanation are provided of A in the question number 5. So the option number first is very correct for the question number 5. Okay, so let's meet in next question with next topics. Okay, goodbye, take care.